Okay, so hi guys, in this lecture we'll be looking into the nomenclature of bicyclo compounds, Spiro compounds and aromatic compounds. Okay, so let's get started with first we are dealing with nomenclature of bicyclo compounds. Okay, we have a bicyclo compound like, and you know the definition of bicyclo compounds that two carbon must be common carbon between two rings, right? Just pardon me for that. Okay, so now when you are going to name this bicyclo compound, first calculate how many total number of carbons are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So just write heptane as the word written suffix, and prefix would be, as you know it's a bicyclo compound, so just write bicyclo and brackets, and in brackets write the bridge carbons in their decreasing order, right? What do I mean by the bridge carbons? So these are the bridge carbons, these, this and this. Basically all the carbons which apart from the common carbons are in sets are known as the bridge carbons. So in this case, are in the decreasing order we have 2.2.1. So this is how we write the IUPAC names for bicyclo compound. Now we'll look at some examples to so that you have more clarity on the nomenclature purpose. So just write bicyclo. How many carbon atoms are there? 4 4 10. So bicyclo have some bracket called some brackets decane, and how many bridge carbons are there? 4 4 and 0, right? So the answer would be 4.4.0. So what about this case? For this case the answer would be bicyclo 3.2.0, and how many carbons are there? How many carbons are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So heptane. Okay, let's look at another example. We have something like this. So what would be the name? Bicyclo 1.1.0 butane. Okay, now we have something like this. So its name would be bicyclo 2.2.0 hexane. Let's have a look at this. So for this we have name as bicyclo 1 2 3 2 3.2.0 heptane. Okay, so now let's have a look at the nomenclature of Spiro compounds. Okay, So Spiro compounds are the compounds which have one carbon in common between the two rings. So in this case, just do the opposite, means you write the Spiro in the braces, you write the number of bridge carbons in the ascending order instead of descending order, which was followed in the case of bicyclo compounds. So let's have a look at example. Suppose we have this as our bicyclo compound, so its IUPAC name would be Spiro, some brackets, and pentane. Just calculate the total number of carbon atoms in this compound. It would be 5. So pentane. What is the bridge carbons here? 2 dot 2 dot. No need to write the third dot. 2 dots are enough and required also. So in this case, the nomenclature would be Spiro and 2.3, because 2 in this bridge and 3 in this bridge. Total number of carbon atoms are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So hexane. Okay, so now let's look at the nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Okay, so let's start off with this example. So I'm just writing the name for this compound. This is phenol. This is aniline. This is benzaldehyde. This is benzoic acid. This is benzonyl chloride. This is benzene carbonitrile or benzonitrile. This is alkyl, or means R will be replaced by obviously alkyl benzene carboxylate. And this is famously known as toluene. Okay, so also I'll just want to mention the orthometapara positions of a benzene. So these positions are relative to a substituent attached to the phenyl ring. So this will be used in the later part of our video series. This position is ortho, this is meta, and this is para position. So for now you just have a look on this. We would be using the positions and position of the phenyl ring, substituted phenyl ring in the later part of the series. So till then, just for the information sake, you can actually have a look on this. So in the next video tutorials, I'll be presenting with some of the examples on writing IPC names on aromatic compounds. Okay, till then, good luck and goodbye.